Hello, Africans. At this point in time, if you are an African and you are still praying, I mean, like you wake up in the morning, you pray before you eat, you pray, it means you have been stuck in that trap that was put to you by your enemies. You know, one of the reasons that we always come here to tell you the reality is because we want Africans to wake up. The reason that the West told you that there is a God for everybody is just to put you in a mess. The reason why they want you to keep on praying is because they want you to remain being a prey. Africans, it's high time that we must all come together and understand that prayer doesn't work. Prayer is just a trap that was meant for you guys. So when you wake up, when you realize and wake up and you remove yourself from that madness, is when you need to understand that prayer was a trap. Prayer is meant for those people who don't have brain. You cannot be doing one thing at the same time and always you do the same thing continuously without seeing any changes and you keep on doing it. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any sense. So it is the best and the high time that Africans must stop praying and let us grab it and take it, just like the West are doing. That is the only system that works. If you sit down, you pray from morning to night, nothing will change. That's why I love the adage from the Igbo that said, you must work to harvest. If you don't work, you don't need to harvest. So you need to work hard to get. When we mean work hard, we don't mean with your hands. Work hard is with the brain. We need to work very hard with our brain to get there. If not, we will remain docile and we are not going to go anywhere. So Africans, wake up, let's unite and fight this fight. This is our fight. We need to fight and survive from it. Please, work hard and stop praying. Enough of prayer. Enough of this praying. Cowards pray. Strong people don't pray. They go for it.